You made a pit and now you are inside. Say something.
मिक्स करके खा।
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Flow with Juhi, and today we are going to Sentosa Island. It's good to plan beach day on sunny days because if it's rainy you cannot get into the sea. This is our favorite spot whenever we plan beach day at Sentosa Island. So this is Palawan beach and water here is really very good. You can do a lot of things at the beach, like you can play beach games, can swim, have picnic with your family and friends, or else just relax. There are also rescue rangers at the beach at various spots who make sure that everything at the beach goes smoothly. Hi everyone, so we have reached to the Palawan beach and the atmosphere climate today is very good. People are enjoying here, some are swimming, some are playing, and Nishchay and Vinay are making a sand castle. Let me show you all. Nishchay, what are you making?
Pond.
What?
A pond.
Pond. Okay, so you are making a pond.
Papa, wider.
So today water is very clear and it's really good for swimming. It's very nice today, even the water is not so cool. If you are a tourist planning to visit Sentosa Island in Singapore, then you should make sure you carry proper sun accessories like sunscreen and umbrella. Also, you should carry a spare cloth so that you can change after getting into the water. Nishchay, so have you made your pond?
Yeah, we found water, but I'm making the hole wider.
Oh,
Like you can see some water coming.
okay, so water is coming. फाइनली निश्चय का पॉन्ड बन चुका है और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं पानी ऊपर आ चुका है. निशु, ये पॉन्ड नहीं है, दिस इज अ वेल, इट्स अ कुआं. और यहाँ पर विनय, आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Again making one.
एक और कुआं.
Ah,
I often regret why in my childhood I did not learn swimming. So basically I don't go completely inside the water. I go till my knees and enjoy it. Do let me know in comments which is your favorite beach in Sentosa Island, and if you are a tourist then also let me know from where are you watching my vlog. Usually the water at the beaches are clear. You don't find much seashells or fishes at the shore. In my childhood I was living in Gujarat and the beaches there were having so many seashells at the shore. In Singapore, if you want to experience the most beautiful sunset, then this is the right place, Sentosa Island, where at the beach you can experience the most beautiful sunsets. Nishchay, what have you made?
a well.
Oh, it's so deep. How did you made it?
And you know, I have found a hard substance, which is a sand. Let me get some.
OMG, it's so deep.
See,
Yeah, good.
it's like a substance. There's crack. Wait, no crack. No crack. Or you'll fall. You don't have water.
You made a pit and now you are inside that pit.
Yeah. How did I get?
Say something.
Ah!
As it gets to 7 p.m, you are not allowed to get inside the water or near the water. So from now here we will be heading for dinner.
It's for the kids though.
Near the beach you also get the facility for the changing purpose and it's absolutely free of cost. Sunset at the beach is really very beautiful. People stay here till night also to enjoy the nightlife. There are many facilities at the beach, like there are sunscreen vending machines and swings where you can just lie down and relax. नहीं, ये तो पहले भी थे. From here now we are going to do dinner, and for dinner we have selected Kailash Parbat. It's a pure vegetarian Indian restaurant. So if you are an Indian tourist or a resident in Singapore, you should know about this place, because in Sentosa Island not everywhere you will be getting Indian or vegetarian food. One thing that really pisses me off is like you need to walk a lot. So from this Palawan beach we will be walking till Imbia station, because the Kailash Parbat is at their monorail facility. So we will be walking, and usually every month there is also this mini fair going on at Sentosa Island where you can buy handcrafted handmade things. The overall vibe at Sentosa Island is always cool and happening. Sometimes you may find really cute jewelry, plants or any other item. This bubble making machine is really something cool, kept there for kids to enjoy. And now we have reached at the Kailash Parbat, which is quite far from the Palawan beach near Imbia station. The complete setup is quite different as that of what it is in Little India. It's not fine dining here. It's an open setup where there are chairs and tables, and you get the food in a plastic, or I think that biodegradable plate. We ordered chole bhature, paneer paratha, gobi paratha, and everything was nice, good. Prices were also reasonable, not so high.
चेंज कर लो, मुझे कुछ नहीं है.
टेस्ट तो कर दूँ.
Lastly, we also tried a dosa, which was a good one. And finally, after walking so much and having a nice dinner, we were heading back to home. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog.